It is not necessary that you have to do the projects which are given in the book. You can do it on your own itself. The thing is, you should be aware, you should be capable of combining different scripts and should be able to forecast that what action will be performed if I'm using this script. Agar if I'm using this script, what action will be performed by this sprite? If I'm connecting these script, what will be the action? Or how you can change the action of the sprite, that can be explored and will be experimented by you itself. Once we have done this, you can save the work, you can close it, and you can save it in computer's memory. And after this, the last chapter of this your previous book was where you being taught to change the appearance of the sprite by using the costume button, changing the background by using the background tab. You can change the background, you can change the appearance. You can also click a picture and can take it as a background. Here you were being taught how to change the sprite. By default it is cat, but in case if you don't want cat, you can select other sprites available in the program itself. You were being taught to use the looks block menu, which consists of voice bubble, which makes your sprite talk on the basis of different actions performed. You can make your sprite talk by using the voice bubbles, and on the occurrence of certain triggering action, the mouse will reply or will revert in the same by using the voice bubble. We also learned about repeating a particular action by using the repeat block, and it can be used to repeat a certain actions the number of times we want. It may have another action also, which is a repeat forever, which will keep repeating the action until the stop button is given or we stop the action. We will also learn how to play music with the sprite, that is how to generate sound in the background or on the triggering action of some point, how the sound has to generate. Like your sprite was capable of producing the sound of a cat, sound of drum itself. Basically, in your last two chapters, you had learned about operating and using the sprite and performing the programming language operations on the sprite. The commands, or you can say the instructions, have been provided to you in the form of scripts, and the scripts have been categorized into certain blocks which are available in your block palettes. So on the basis of your requirement, you can use those script. You can connect the various script for creating a combined action done by the sprite. I would again request children kindly perform one or two projects to revise the content, to remember the block palettes, the script which we had encountered in the previous session. It would be a fun for you while seeing the script performing different action, and also gives you a particular chance of exploring further. Students, I would again request that it would be much helpful for you if you start creating the scripts on your own. You can take the help from the book or from the elder, but for further exploring, for having more fun, you can start different connecting the scripts, and at the end when you will see the actions performed by the script, you would be very happy to see it. I would love to see some of your students performing different kinds of action. In case of any doubts, in case of any confusion, you can ask. We would be always happy to help you out. With this, I would come to an end for the revision of class 3. In the next session, we class would be starting with class 4, chapter number 1, with the live sessions as been instructed. Before that, I would request kindly revise the contents of class 3, and in case any doubt, any issue, then put up on the WhatsApp group. We would be happy to help you back. For today, thank you. Take care.